Everyone is asking if AI will replace jobs. But the real question is whether your job is already quietly changing today. That email, report, or summary you just wrote, AI can already do faster, silently taking over parts of your daily work. AI does not replace entire jobs overnight. It replaces tasks first, starting with repetitive work that defines much of modern employment. If AI keeps taking pieces of your job, what happens when enough is gone that your role no longer looks familiar? Companies are not replacing entire teams. They remove slow tasks, automate processes, and suddenly fewer people are needed to produce more output. Behind AI systems, hidden workers label data and train models. A new invisible workforce is growing without recognition or stability. At the same time, workers who use AI effectively are becoming faster, more productive, and significantly more valuable. AI is not just replacing jobs. It is dividing people into those who adapt quickly and those who slowly become unnecessary. By 2030, most jobs will still exist, but they will look different, focusing on judgment, creativity, and complex human decision-making. The future is not humans versus AI. It is humans working with AI, using it as a tool rather than competing against it. Education is already changing to prepare for this shift. The skills you learn now will determine your place in the future economy. AI may not fully replace your job, but if it replaces most of what you do, will your job still truly exist?